Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2020 E350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one does come with the exterior lighting package, which is going to give you an LED intelligent light system and an adaptive high beam assist. Also included is the night package, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke wheels with black accents and a blacked out exterior trim in the front and rear and mirror covers. Also, this does have the AMG body styling. We've got a black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, coming around back. We've got our E350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of brand new floor mats, coming alongside here. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel. Hop it in. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, a wireless charging for your phone, USB ports, cup holders, our touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This E-Class has very low mileage. It has 1,998 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmannimports.com.